Hi, my name is Rafael. I am the application specialist with FARO Technologies, and I want to introduce you to the new FARO Blink. The FARO Blink has been designed to be the easiest to set up, easiest to use laser imaging scanner on the market. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. You're going to find everything you need to get started. A quick startup guide, the Blink imaging laser scanner, power adapter, 3 total batteries, and a USB-C stick. We have the mobility kit, which also includes the tripod, the quad mount for your phone, and a backpack. Go ahead and download the Stream app using the QR code from the quick guide to get started. The Blink is compact and sleek, it's built to be easy to use, and its guided workflows lead you step by step through the scanning process. We're gonna go ahead and start by setting up the tripod, making sure that all of the legs are completely extended. We're gonna then go ahead and place our imaging scanner on the tripod. So remove it from the Pelican case, place it on the tripod, lock it in place. Open this compartment and place your battery inside. Power the Blink by pressing and holding the button for about 2 seconds. The scanner has been powered on. After scanning the QR code and opening up the Stream app, the first thing I'm gonna do is just add a project, and I'm gonna name that project. After that has been completed, there is just one single button to press, and the scanner will literally rotate and capture data. The Blink is perfect for quickly gathering data from the job site and sending it to the project stakeholders or any remote teams. And just like that, you are on your journey to a digital job site. Check out our other videos and training materials to get up and running with the FARO Blink.